So I want to do a quick review video for the My Healthy Penguin, the meal prep service that I've been using now for a couple months. I did one review before. I kind of want to do another one. Just kind of an update too, because now that I've kind of stuck with it, it's been great. The meals they've all been different, and they come in the containers and they're pretty full. A lot of people in my inbox are asking me like, do they fill you up? How do they taste? Let me tell you, it's a full little meal. I mean, if it's just, you're trying to do like a light lunch that's gonna make you feel full and, you know, just a good lunch, it's perfect for that. Or same thing for a light, if you're trying to do light dinners. I'm trying to eat better, and this has really helped me stay out of the drive-thrus. I'm busy, I'm on the road a lot, so for me, this is it's convenience, and I know I'm eating a lot better. This is the fish taco bowl. I just kind of want to share that there's some good food out there that's local, it's meal prep, you know, but it doesn't have to be, I see a lot of generic ones out there, and these people are just, it looks so, they're just throwing stuff in a container and just getting it and delivering it, trying to make a quick buck. Whereas Healthy Penguin, they're amazing. They'll alter, if you have a special diet, they'll alter your meal for you, so that's cool. And the salsa is good. That's like real salsa. Good beans. For it being a meal prep company, the food is just, it's better than some restaurant food I've had. And that is so good. If you order on Mondays, you can get 15% off your order. Wow, everything's fresh. Everything's really good. It's just a really enjoyable meal. And they employ actual cooks and chefs to make and create the food. So that's one of the biggest things I've noticed. I've tried 2 other meal prep services, and one was just the same thing every week. It seemed like it was just how much chicken and rice or quinoa or whatever their thing was. It was just too much of the same thing. So I got bored really quick. And then the second one, it literally just tasted like somebody just threw some stuff in you know, it's like somebody was making it for themselves at home and they didn't care about the food. They just threw it in, and you know, and I had to pick it up somewhere, and it was, the pickups don't work for me. They really don't. Like I always forget, or you know, pickups are a hassle for me. These guys deliver, so that was a big selling point. It's been great to promote something that's local, that's just the quality is amazing. It's better than a lot of stuff that you see out there. A lot of places claim that they're the best, and they, you know, it's all talk when it comes to meal prep places. I've learned a lot of restaurants are doing meal prep, and that's great. You know, if you like that restaurant, you know, get their meal prep options. That's great. This is just something that has worked for me as far as keeping me on meal prep, keeping it affordable. I think for 5 meals, it's $60 a week. And to me, I spend more at a drive-thru. I spend more on gas to get stuff at going out of my way, and I know I'm not eating as good. So to me, $60, it's worth the money. Like I said, I probably saved money. So definitely check them out on Instagram and Facebook. They're at My Healthy Penguin. And you gotta check out the website, myhealthypenguin.com. It answers all your questions on pricing, delivery, anything, customizing. It's all there on the website, so go check them out. Or just hit them up on Instagram. They're quick to respond. Check them out.